I thought my face told the whole story, but I guess it didn't. It was, believe me, it was an explosion inside. I had to try my best to contain it because in the moment when you're singing and you're on stage and you see that chair turn around and the floor lights up, it's like, wait a minute, hold on a second. This is really happening because you got to understand, for all of us here, this is a dream come true for us. We all want to be musicians. We all want to make singing our main careers. We all want to be famous, known for doing great music. So at that moment, when a musical legend turns around and they say to themselves that they want you on their team, it's, like I said, an explosion inside happened. I just had to try my best to contain it and smile it off, I guess, to be able to finish the song and get through the rest of the audition.